Big hand to
Daga jingsngewsarong halor ke jinglah jong Khynnah Skul banwan shakhmat haka jingpynbna result jong ke MBOSE haka kyrdan SSLC but HSSLC ka Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School Bhoirymbong hene kesengi ke 8 long ya ke jingpynkuburom ya Khynnah Skul ki belapas bha ki balwan shakhmat kini Khynnah ki kentup ya ki shispa nyuh arngot arngot ki dei naga SSLC shispa khat sangut ki dei haka HSSLC Arts stream but life sangut haka HSSLC Commerce stream bala Pynkupburom ru kham kerpang ye ki arngot ki bawan kham shakhmat na pedeng jong Khynnah Skul ke Jylliew haka top 15 ki bakentup ya ka Hanika Barim haka kyrdan pule SSLC but Preciousstar Mangu haka kyrdan HSSLC Commerce hagini kesngil odru yaukek ban longkum ke jingpensa ajingken mau haka bai dei bat kene kesngi ka balong rukum ke jinge khublai haswa ba kene Khynnah Skul ki belapas na kene ke silam ai jing hikai kinle rung sha ki wei pat ki silam ai jing hikai sha ki kyrdan ki bakham chalor nalor ki bor pnia jong skul ha gene kesengi lawan ru bani Shimbynta daka kenhun Youngminds ha ke jingilam jong presiden ketika kenhun ba is anei hing kabade ki kenhun jong isamlana ketika thany kap Jylliew ya Shibunba ki kam le is anei hakeleng bani Shimbynta lang ha gene ki jing Pynkupburom jong skul ya ki Khynnah ki belapas bha ha ke bagane ki kenhun kalai Shimbynta lang ban ai ki jing khublai sha ki belapas bha daka momentos Ryngkat ru bat kasong pisah ka jinglah Shimbynta jong ketika kenhun ka long bagi babun ki dekhot jong ne ka kenhun ki de ki bapule na gane ka skul ha ki por ki bakham mansua babu pengrup ubri principal jong ketika skul haba jingkran ulong ba gane ki jing Pynkupburom ya gine ki Khynnah ki belapas bha ki de ki bela Jylliew man la ka snem ka balong rokum ki jing nang ai man sim ki Khynnah bakin nang la ban le bha onda haba ki la poisa ki kyrdan ki bakham chalor kiwe ki nongkran hakane ka singi ki laong dak ba pen kan mau ba ki Khynnah Skul ki ban kan mau ya ki jing trishitom jong ki kmi ki khpa ki bala le shitom mit labat singi na ka banta ban penbiang ya shibun ba ki jing don kam ha ka pule puthi jong ki khon bat kum juru ban kan mau ya ki no hikai ki bala long kum ka lenti ban yo ya ka nang gatip
larinya kerbak
and secured distinctions in all subjects and also secured highest marks in health and age and secured distinction in 5 subjects and secured distinction in agriculture and also she obtained the highest mark. And also, we have another one, and from SSLC, the student again, he got distinction in agriculture. Iaki Khynnah Mangu, she got distinction in health. Shillong, he also got a stick.
I'm gonna be able to stand here, and of course, all the teachers I'd like to thank from the moment I came here from class 2. They've been with me and helped me a lot. So thank you to every teacher. So to everyone in here, everyone here, I'd like to say, keep believing in God. That you are blessed with the talents and excellence to work for it, strive for it, and get all the things of the task you work for. Myngken Christian High Secondary School has has taught me a lot, and the best thing is the motto, be a man and don't be shy to be the best.
I'm very honored to have been given the opportunity to stand here and present this speech in front of you all. We have assembled on this beautiful, lovely day to celebrate this special event that is the occasion of Halor. Well, I'm excited to share that we are certified graduate today. I'm also very sad that we will be leaving school. Time flies so fast and we can realize that we're finally graduating. We joined the school many years back, whenever it felt like yesterday, and the departure time had come very soon. This place has been like our second home, where we have spent most of the significant growing years of our life. Now that we're all here today, officially saying goodbye to this school, it finally dawned upon us what a big piece of our life we're leaving behind. First, I really thank God our Father for His love, mercy, and the blessing that His bestowed upon us. He has always been there with us and has shown us the way when the sea.
Okay, we have to especially for His blessing to each and every one of you and to the whole institution. So before you depart from here, thank you once again. God bless each and every one of you. And our children, for the last years that you have been with us. Before you leave this institution, we want to wish you, to give a special thanks to you, and also to inspire you for your higher studies. So at this very moment, we thank God for having given us this valuable time.
Is there anyone in this world, is there anyone in this hall and all over the world that the moment he was born, he was in class 10 or in class 12? Or is there any boy or girl without basic education directly entered or admitted in class 10 and class 12? Impossible, and there is no such thing happening. So what I mean for you, my dear students, don't forget them. Don't forget all your teachers. They have got a hand building you like this. Each and every one of your teachers, right from the primary level up to 10, right from the primary level up to 12, they have a fingerprints for your future. Talking about Hanika, talking about Precious, we are not the one who have made them appear in the booklet, the result booklet of the MBOSE. It started right from A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 in the nursery class of all the students. We have been building together the life, the future of boys and girls, of all of you boys and girls. And at this point, kindly know it, my dear students. What I want to say to you is that the teachers who are teaching you in 10, the teachers who are teaching you in 11, 12, they are not the one, they are not the only one who are building your life and your future. What I mean is that don't forget the foundation of your education.
Congratulations, Iaki Khynnah Skul, Kibor ai katare, Jingsarong yapi. naru hikai ko kau naru di hikai nursery haru class 10 atau class 12 kibala trestom ya kawan hikai ti umne ko ba kilomita ai ko le kerbang khata mi principal kibala hab ya kawan ada ya kawan ya adjust para hikai neki phobot ba khamtam Iaki Khynnah Skul kibala ke hajar ko ya kawan pihapan ya adjust khnan ke skul golong ko job tahakan kapor ngasude golong lada ikhna lada ke hikai kibas dan nadu ka pas bari gimdan benta bati Khynnah Skul phim pas bha phim long pune ko philong dei maki gobal kren ibe buje setup dei maki bahikai kumno bantho abc ba kumno account 1 2 3 kumta ter tahakan kapor ngasude ngai kublei ko kerpang na kabanta kino hikai kaba kila ai di hikai kaba biange na kabanta kejupi ini hamne lagi kimi kipa jong kiba pas bha bagian Ryngkat ya kaban ai musim ya jung dikhun ba na Khynnah Skul hi baro kowe ini kimi kipa kita jingkit ki kaba ke kaba khia haru kata wat hadu bakila Shimbynta wat bakin gendu shibung di jige dei na kabanta ke jopi bapin Bhoi shakhmat ke jingstar ke jingnang kabadong kam kidon ke jingong every successful person there is a woman behind kata kala bolong ke kimi jugo ale kuring ke jugo lani mano kabadong din wala Bhoi shakhmat Henry Hanika poor government apa kasude kono. Each and every student knang ya kaba phiru Pynkupburom. But every successful student there is parent behind. Deki kimi kpa kiba ai boripi. Deki kimi kpa kiba ai musimiti. Deki maki kiba penur persep. Ba khamtam ni haki pisni kiba minta. Kimi kpa jong ni shakani ka thai nongpoh dong ni dong ka jingkli at banda khun ombe kumha por ko miswa khun kre ke komon kimi khwa kim teker kim so phele ispa ka jingpule hele hakini ski ko menta kimi khwa chumi shakani ka thai no ki dong ka jingkli na banda khun kile bu kile shawo na jingkli khun kale kat ko komle jingki kumrong se sor Shillong sa jaga ki bolong advance Kali Bhoi khun school, kili shaw. Dam kili kpa, kiba dam shakana ko jagaru, dam sudah kapor Bhoi school khun kiabe ya kamali shaw. Knaba kata kaloi kajim ai musim ba kajim kersan kejuki. Der matadau ko ngakwa ang president jo Youngminds hakan kapor kolong ba mabhi ko pas class 10 ba class 12 how is them minta Pidang kam ha ban rung ke jimut bagi kimi pa kita benta krau ya kata dan bun ki parok jonar ki ba pas maha class 10 ki ba pas maha class 12 kirawan shakhmat Henry anda HSSLC college ki kwa shu ke ban pule kilawak no hakikam kai Kilangopno haki woi pakikam kabaki kimwa shu kabon pule hakabakut kinsa yalo anda kalau ramba haka yin tuki kinsa Bhoi yang di kabang nama kelong lagi kadi bekerja kendriu kan saja kan sakra bungta kumakwa orang itu ba phidung kam banlong kita Khynnah ki badan daging sngewbha iki pa lagi ron syagalo ko jaga ba phi pule trehok ke jin pule pendek ke jin pule namar ba jin pule hakim iski ba bynta kalau kepada kam asu kata kemudian kasure golong na bynta jompi Khynnah sa simpa ba anda pila Bhoi sa kyrdan ka pasalo ken mau pimdei plat yakin hikai jupi pimdei plat yaki kimi pa jupi nama hari kiski ke bamenta ka akor Pynkupburom lana Pynkupburom hikai kimi kipa hikai naskul jupi kumta kalajak berkelapang. Hakai kapor masuk ikon mengai di khubor ikon gerbang. Nak Iaki Khynnah Skul kibala pas ha. Hanika Barim. Pak kiwai kibala Bhoirymbong jaga skul. Kamalwanto 15 haka jala Meghalaya. Kamre itang ke Bhoirymbong juga. Henry kala Bhoirymbong jaga skul. Kalian Pansiat jaga skul. Myngken Higher Secondary School. Kalau kalian Pansiat yang kimi kikpa, yang Shillong, yang district, but yang Jylliew or Bhoi.
With other district, we will say from the east and west district, east of hill, west of hill district, we are not less with other students or institutions. So we congratulate to the students and the teachers. So this is the day that from the sponsoring body, managing committee, we give the inspiration to you all. This is the day that we have been awaiting so long to get this kind of occasion, happy moment. So we give inspiration to all of you. So God bless you, and we will say that to keep it up and to be successful in your life.